Good Saturday morning! We're going to make some scrambled eggs in our Revere Ware tin lined copper skillet, frying pan. You may have seen the clean and polish of this pan. I haven't shined it up since our first cook. It's a little discolored. I had a couple of questions like, is this tin lined? Farberware did make a pan around this time with curved sides, a chef pan, but it had a rolled rim, and the chrome was known to peel up if you had potatoes in there. I'm just saying. How do I know this is tin? Two ways to kind of tell it's tin. One is the brush pattern. There's this brush pattern, and right here the brush line ends. It's like it was brushed in and this stopped, and you can kind of see the brush line there, which you wouldn't get if you were chrome plating. Also, if you look at the rim, this edge of the rim is silver where the tin was applied, and you come around here, right around here, you've got copper. It's not, and then you go back around here and it's got tin. And it's just one of the simple things that you can look for. Is it chrome plated or maybe stainless steel? This is probably sometime in the 30s. Thought we would make some scrambled eggs this morning. The bottom of this pan is very thin. I have issues with Revere Ware. I'm not questioning their vintage status, their collectible status, but it's pretty thin. Now this isn't too bad. This sounds about what stainless steel. It might even be a little better. This sounds about what a stainless steel copper bottom pan would sound like. You know? But it's all copper, which is pretty cool. And the tin is thinner, so the weight I'm feeling, I didn't weigh it. Oh! We'll weigh it when we're done making the eggs. We'll weigh it. I'm sorry, I said I was going to weigh it. It's not too light, it's not heavy. We're going to be using our aluminum disc heat diffuser. You can buy these on eBay. You can actually custom buy them to fit your burner. Why? Because this is so thin, I'm likely to get a cool spot in the center, maybe some of these heat rings. Not good if we're making scrambled eggs. These eggs have been out of the fridge for a little over half an hour, and they're sweating. One thing to watch for if they're sweating and you touch them, you might want to wash your hands afterwards, because you just don't know if there's salmonella on the eggshell. I'm just going to dry these off. It's maybe where you are they won't sweat. And just a tablespoon of butter. These are big eggs. Extra large. If this were a 10-inch skillet, I'd probably use 3 eggs, but it's an 8-inch. Get about a tablespoon of butter. Butter's good! We're going to go to 4. Scramble. Plan is, put the butter in, let the sizzling stop, which means you've kind of evaporated some of the water in the butter. Pour in the eggs, let the eggs sit. Don't move them. Let them set a little bit. You can start to move the eggs in, fill up the gaps with the eggs, and then once they're set, you can start moving around pretty fast. Just gotta wait. Patience. Butter's in. That was hotter than it let on. Pan's already cooling down. Yeah, I'm using a lot of butter. Tell me Jacques Pepin doesn't use a tablespoon of butter. Huh? I'm just saying. Let's check. We're at 236. Wow, temperature went up. 250. It's about a 20-degree difference. 241, 260. Wow. Yeah, about a 20-degree difference. I'm putting the eggs in. Eggs are in. I just let them sit. Once you see the edges start to turn white and a little bit more, we will pull it in and fill the edges like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. We are on our way to scrambled eggs. See, now you can start moving them around quicker, so you know they're not sticking. You want to leave a little of the glossy on top. These look done to me. And we're done. Flip that over, make it look nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Just butter. Just slightly glazed. Beautiful. Pepper. Salt. Let's take a bite. Nicely glazed. Oh. Mmm. You don't want them all dried out, overcooked. Not rubbery at all. It is a pretty pan. Come on. Thanks for joining me this Saturday morning. Tinned copper fry pan, Revere Ware. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. Bye. 1 pound, 0.4 ounces. That's a pound.